What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. Dalam video kali ini saya tidak memberi kalian tutorial lagi, tetapi saya ingin memberikan kepada kalian sound effect yang sering dipakai YouTuber pemula. Mau tahu videonya? Cek.
Changing like the seasons, they never given reasons. Was something I believe in, this is only where it be. I'm thinking back to what we had before we got this close. Ain't much to say, I guess I never wanna let you go. Time froze for me, I didn't see it moving. Came in fast like it was cruising, now it's like it's all I'm losing. And so we chill, yeah we chill, we kick it.
Terima kasih telah menonton video saya. Silakan like,